The first place to start in preparing for interviews is to understand the potential formats that employers will use to determine your fit within the organization. There are 4 common interview formats, and it often depends on the industry and function for which you are applying. The first format often used is the phone interview. This allows the employer to screen the candidate at a low-cost and time-effective manner. This technique is often used to narrow the pool of candidates for in-person interviews. It is also one of the more challenging formats because you can't see the reactions to your answers and you can be easily distracted. To be most successful in the phone interview, you should be sure to follow these 5 steps. Use a landline as they are less likely to be dropped. Turn off call waiting as a call coming in may distract you in the middle of an answer. Interview in a quiet space with limited distractions. Without visual clues, you will have to be careful to focus on the questions they are asking you. Enunciate and speak clearly. You may want to try smiling as you answer your questions. Your answers will come across more positively. Clarify any questions that you are unsure of the meaning. You don't have the body language to tell you when you are going in the wrong direction. So be sure to ask the interviewer if you've approached the question in the way they were looking for. The second format is the traditional in-person one-to-one interview. This allows employers to get to know you on an individual level and ask pertinent questions to their area of work. To be most successful in the in-person one-to-one interview, you need to focus on the nonverbal behaviors like eye contact, tone of voice, and body language. One study shows that 93% of your message is conveyed this way and not in words, so it is very important in the interview. Body language will vary based on the country that you are interviewing in. For example, in some countries, eye contact is direct, and others it is not. Also, remember to dress the part. You want them to see you as a potential coworker. The third format is a panel or group interview. This format allows the employer to save time and also get multiple opinions that can lead to more valid and fair decisions about candidates. To be most successful in panel interviews, body language is still important. A few key points to remember include: make your introductions count, make eye contact, and use their names. Include quieter people into the conversation by asking their opinion. Remember, they are evaluating your interaction, so be sure to listen and engage where appropriate. You will want to make eye contact again with everyone at some point in the conversation. Finally, ask for business cards from everyone on the panel for proper follow-up. The final type of interview is the online video interview. It is similar to the in-person interview, but it allows the employer to cut down on travel and cost. You will want to follow the same advice and, in addition, these 3 steps. Test run the equipment before the interview. Arrive on video early so you can make any adjustments to lighting and appearance prior to the interviewer coming online. Use the in-picture mode so you know how you appear. Make sure your environment looks clean, professional, and there are no immediate distractions in the area. Now that you have a good understanding of the interview formats, you should check out the next movie to gain an understanding of the question types and how to prepare for them.